up, man? Just me and the scarecrow, man. What is this, the Wizard of Oz? Man, take me with you, the Wizard of Oz. I finally understand you. If this thing is real, how cool would it be? Maybe, just maybe. Why the hell did she come back? She should have stayed. She already killed the only problem they raised. It could have been the perfect world. It wasn't even black and white. It could have been the perfect world.